This is the group shot for the regular Car Reviews Car Meet. That was on July 28th, 2019. Thank you to everybody who showed up for this. Thank you to Ellis for doing all this beautiful drone work. Thank you to Renee from the Squiggle Racket and Fitness Center for hosting the meet here and letting us tie up the parking lot. There was way more people showing up than I expected, and some of these drone shots don't illustrate the peak of everybody being here about 6 o'clock. Thank you to Nush for the PA equipment that allowed me to do announcements while I was there and play music. Thank you to Boyer's Food Market for making 50 sandwich wraps on short notice, complete with vegetarian options, and even charged like extra for it. It was great. Thank you to Tim Strickler for use of his Honda K-Van for making deliveries of said food. Thank you to Elke for helping me take out the trash at the end of the night. Thank you to my friends Tony Airlines for driving his cute Honda Beat all the way up from New Jersey. Thank you also to Sam Denham. Sorry, screwed your name up again. Sam Damon, David Coletti, Matt Walsh, Justin Kramer and Corey, Ted Stoltz, my mom, my dad, and Aunt Cindy for showing up, Charles Guam for the big van truck, and of course Nick Roman for lending a hand and making this car meet successful. And thank you to all of you for driving out so far to hang out at a gym in the Appalachian Mountain foothills. So, peace and grease. Hope to do this again soon. Take care. Bye.